With Siemens ruggedized IT cabling, nothing gets between you and your data. Siemens ruggedized connectivity supports Category 5E, 6, and 6A unshielded and shielded copper media and duplex LC optical fiber media, and is trusted to provide proven reliability and protection from humidity, dust, vibration, liquids, EMI, and other environmental stressors. Siemens quarter-turn, tamper-resistant bayonet-style housing ensures IP66-67 rated ingress protection. Compression fittings with gripping ribs are easy to handle, provide superior seals, and protect cable bend radii. Connectivity is supported by a wide range of ruggedized stainless steel faceplates and surface mount boxes. Angled DIN rail panels support copper and optical fiber connections in industrial equipment enclosures. Siemon also offers dust caps, bulkhead fiber adapters, outlet-to-outlet couplers, field-terminated Z-plugs with protective glands, and angled Category 5E plug assemblies to ensure nothing gets between you and your data. For more information on Siemens ruggedized cabling solutions, visit siemon.com/ruggedized.